Hello, welcome to EV Cars, to an electrifying journey into the future of aviation. Today, we're counting down the top 5 electric planes that are set to reshape the skies. From cutting-edge technology to sustainable solutions, these aircraft are paving the way for a greener and quieter aviation industry. So, buckle up as we explore the groundbreaking innovations brought to us by these 5 trailblazing companies. Number 1. E58 Alice. Kicking off our list is the E58 Alice, a true marvel of modern engineering. With its sleek design and unmatched performance, the Alice is making waves in the aviation world. This not only enhances efficiency but also reduces noise pollution, making every flight a more comfortable experience for passengers and the environment. Number 2. mach-e. Next up, we have mach-e, the driving force behind many electric aircraft. Their revolutionary electric motors are at the heart of electric aviation's progress and empower aircraft with enhanced efficiency, reduced emissions, and a greener future for air travel. Number 3. Ampere Electric EEL. Moving to number 3, we have the Ampere Electric EEL, a hybrid electric aircraft. It's a perfect blend of traditional and electric propulsion systems. The electric EEL showcases the potential of combining electric and combustion engines and making aviation industry more sustainable. Number 4, by Aerospace E-Flyer. Our fourth entry is the by Aerospace E-Flyer, an aircraft designed with sustainability in mind. With its all-electric propulsion system, the E-Flyer is not only quieter but also more cost-effective to operate. This is a big step towards making electric aviation accessible to a broader audience. Number 5. The Zunam Aero. And last but not least, we have Zunam Aero, a company dedicated to regional electric air travel. Zunam Aero's aircraft are designed to connect smaller communities with electric planes. This reduces travel time and also opens up new possibilities for air travel. So, folks, there you have the top 5 electric planes that are set to reshape the skies. From Eviation's futuristic Alice to mach-e's revolutionary electric motors, these companies are pushing the boundaries of aviation. Thanks for joining me on this electrifying journey. Which of these electric planes impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EV Cars for all things EV all week, to stay up to date with the latest innovations in the world of aviation.